Your skin is designed to keep things out, not let them in. That is its primary job. So when a company says you can just slap a sticker on your arm and bypass your entire digestive system, it should make you pause. These patches are the latest attempt to turn our bodies into a transit system for beauty. The idea is simple, almost too simple. You take a small patch, stick it onto clean, dry skin, and leave it there for 8 hours. While you sleep or while you work, the patch supposedly leaks collagen and vitamin C directly into your bloodstream. No more mixing powders into your coffee. No more swallowing those giant, uncomfortable capsules. It sounds like a dream for anyone with pill fatigue. Inside these patches, they have packed amino acids in something called tremella mushroom extract. People in the skincare world love this mushroom because it holds a massive amount of water, acting like a natural reservoir for your skin. The convenience factor is through the roof. The patches are vegan, plant-based, and may stay put. They do not peel off when you are moving around. For many, that ease of use is worth the price alone. But let us look at the reality of the situation. The science of transdermal delivery is incredibly complex. Collagen molecules are generally quite large. Getting them to pass through the outer layers of your skin and into your blood vessels is a feat of engineering that many scientists are still skeptical about. When you look at the research, almost everything points toward oral supplements. Your stomach is actually quite good at breaking down those proteins, so your body can use them. With the patch, you are hoping the ingredients can find their own way in. Some users are reporting great things, saying their skin feels firmer and more hydrated after a month. But others are seeing nothing but a red mark where the patch was. Those little red rings are a common complaint for people with sensitive skin. It is a reaction to the adhesive, or maybe a concentrated dose of an ingredient that their skin just did not like. Then there's the cost. $40 for 30 patches is a significant investment. You are paying a premium for that convenience. If you're someone who hates the taste of collagen drinks, this might be an experiment worth trying. But you have to manage your expectations. Do not look in the mirror expecting a total transformation overnight. We're still in the early days of this technology. If you want the most bang for your buck, the tried and true methods are still the safest bet. The liquids and powders have the data to back them up. These patches are a bold new frontier, but they are a frontier that might just leave you with a lighter wallet and a red circle on your arm. Take it slow. Watch your skin for reactions. And remember that sometimes the old ways are the most effective for a reason. Real results take time, and there are no shortcuts that bypass the need for a solid, science-based routine. If you choose to try them, do it for the convenience, not because you expect a medical miracle. Your skin is your largest organ, and it deserves a cautious approach when it comes to new tech. Stick to the facts. Watch for those skin reactions, and stay skeptical until the hard evidence catches up to the marketing claims. It is easy to get swept up in the promise of a quick fix, but true health usually requires a bit more effort than a sticker can provide. Be smart about where you put your money, and keep your routine grounded in what actually works.